Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Venmo expense tracking for small business bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Venmo expense tracking for your small business bookkeeping, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy section and tap on it. In the Privacy settings, make sure your transactions are set to Public or Friends. This setting allows others to see your transactions, which is essential for accurate bookkeeping. Next, return to the main menu by tapping the back arrow or the icon again. Now, go to Transaction History. Here, you can view all your past transactions, including payments received and expenses incurred. To categorize your transactions, tap on a specific transaction from the list. You will see options to add additional notes or tags. Use these features to categorize the transaction according to its purpose. Repeat this process for each transaction you want to track. For easier bookkeeping, consider creating a spreadsheet to summarize your expenses by category. Include details like date, recipient, purpose, and amount. You can export your transaction history as a CSV file for more detailed tracking. To do this, go back to your settings and locate the Download Your Data option. Follow the prompts to select the time frame for your data export. Check your email for the CSV file once the request is processed. This file will help you maintain an organized record for your small business bookkeeping. Finally, regularly review your Venmo transactions and update your categories to ensure accurate tracking. By following these steps, you can activate and utilize Venmo expense tracking effectively for your small business bookkeeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.